Oh, hi. It's it's Veganuary day 7. Let's check. Let's walk over to the old calendar. Yes, I still have actual calendars, not just on my phone. And today is the 6th. No, but this is going up on the 7th. So, Veganuary day 7. I think this weekend is going to be, well, the video that's going up, that I'm filming this, is for our curry. And this is going up on Sunday. And then on Monday, Maddie is putting up a video of what she ate over the weekend on Sunday. It's really tough keeping all of this straight, especially pre-coffee. So let me get to it. I've already got my donut shop coffee pod in here. I usually do the reusable, but the first cup in the morning, it's like, no, I can't fiddle with that. Well, I need like to be drinking the caffeine. I've already got some erythritol blend in the coffee cup. I usually brew a 12 ounce. Oh, so it's not that strong because it's an Americano. So let's see what's going on out here. Oh, come on, shade. There we go. Okay, it's cold out there. I know tonight into tomorrow we are going to be getting up to a foot of snow. I don't like that. I'm not on board for snow. I was hoping this was going to be a pretty mild winter, but from the looks of it, I think this month is going to be pretty snowy, which is upsetting. But right now, this is a disaster. Oh my god. Don't even look too close. It's messy over here, too. Everything has... See, the snow's starting tonight. So we gotta get all the stuff in from outside. Gotta do our food shopping for the weekend. And we also have to clean this place up because it's unlivable right now. There's too much junk. And I still have a couple of things from Christmas to put away, so. But coffee first. I've got my Califia Oat Barista Blend. Not my favorite creamer in the world, but you know what? Any port in a storm. Pretty much anything was better than the coconut creamer from Trader Joe's, and I'm so glad I got 2 of them. I'm sure I could find something to mix those into, or bake with them or something, or throw them out, but thankfully they weren't that expensive. But I have to get some of the good stuff today because that ain't it. Of course. Oh, at least it landed, you know, the part that goes on the food up. It would have been a really bad day if it was capped down. All right. Let's see. First drink of the day. Oh my god, that's so good. Yeah. I'm gonna nurse this for a little while, and then we'll be back. Alright, it's breakfast time. I was gonna have a protein shake, but now I'm just like, you know what? I just want real food right now. So, for my second cup of the day, I busted into the Ely's. The Christmas coffee, we like to call it, because it's so freaking expensive. So, gonna put that in there. You said you don't even like it as much anymore. Here, get my cup. I don't know. I still like it fine. The only thing, though, Ely doesn't have any flavored ones, and they don't... I guess they don't have to, right? Because that's probably not like gourmet coffee. So, that's happening. I was going to have some rice cakes with peanut butter and blueberries for breakfast, but I can't stop thinking about this curry that I made yesterday. That's yesterday's recipe on Vegan is Fork for Veganuary. So I'm going to have some of this for breakfast because it was that good. What'd you think of the curry?
It was good.
Mark said immediately put it in the rotation.
You said it. I agreed.
You agreed. Yeah. Got some quinoa on the bottom there, the tricolor quinoa. Alright, I don't want to slop this up. What are you having? Mine's heating up in the microwave.
I'm having a just egg patty.
Right, with some tots.
Tots.
Nice. You splitting a roll with Sean?
I think I'm gonna give him the roll. Give him the roll.
Well, you're gonna give him an egg sandwich.
Yeah. Hey.
Yes. He just ate, by the way, so he should not be complaining. But mine's about to come out. I'm gonna get my bowl cozy all ready to plop it in there so I don't burn myself. If you haven't seen that video yet, it's the one before this one. It literally came together in like 20 minutes, and it wasn't even like, oh, this is terrible, it's gonna be better the next day. It was great, so I can only imagine that it's gonna be super great today. I just had some cold, I'm not gonna lie, and I could just eat it cold. It was just delicious.
Very good.
It'll be in the rotation next
Probably
week.
have some later.
Yeah, absolutely. It's snack time, and I'm having some of the granola that I made earlier in the week. I like to serve it in these little tiny spice measuring things, like little finger bowls, because then I know I'm not going to overdo it. Like, if I just took that to the sofa and sat down, I'd probably eat the whole thing. Honestly, if I'm being honest. So, I also like to cut up my pear because it's a pain in the neck. I don't want to get stuff everywhere, so I just usually, it's much easier this way. It's easier to eat. And I always do this for the kids. They're always like, hey, if you're cutting up a pear for yourself, would you mind cutting up one for me too? Because there's no waste. You don't have to worry about the juice dripping down your arm and like eating around the peel and everything. And it just looks so much nicer too. So like, yeah, I mean, it's a no-brainer. All right, looks like a girl lunch. I'm having just one slice of pizza because honestly, I'm still so full from the curry this morning. I feel like my breakfast and my snack are like right up there, but we're going shopping for a few hours. I don't want to risk going shopping hungry because I will buy everything. So this pizza was really good. This is the first time that we made Detroit style pizza with the sauce on the top. Very messy. But the takeaway from this, as you can see, is some vegan cheeses, if you use a vegan cheese, when it's exposed to the air on the top, when it's on the top of the sauce, it dries out and it doesn't get stretchy and gooey. So with the sauce on top of the pizza, like here there was no sauce here, so you could see that it's kind of hard, but you could see that it got all melty underneath the sauce. If you're disappointed with your choice of vegan cheese on pizza, try putting the sauce on top of the cheese and let me know how it works out, because I think it worked out pretty damn good. Alright, it's snack time, even though it's like dinner time. It's 6:30, but we just got home from shopping and I'm absolutely starving. So I just made some of this seedy bread from Trader Joe's that we got last week. I don't know what it's called. It's called organic super bread. It's actually got dried apples and sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, carrots, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds in there, and I put it with some of the Trader Joe's Valencia creamy peanut butter. Because when I was a kid, when we used to come home from the store, we would crack open that fresh jar of Skippy and have peanut butter on Pepperidge Farm white bread. I was that kid. And it was delicious. Occasionally we would get Jif, but I feel like we were mostly Skippy. So I'm going to devour this, and then I have to clean all this up really quick and start making dinner. Dinner time. Is this your favorite dinner?
It's pretty darn good, I have to say.
I have 5 pounds of mashed potatoes here. 5 pounds. Can you believe it? I have an entire quart of vegan gravy. My recipe.
Look at that.
Oh, baby. Secret, well, broccoli with garlic and olive oil. And the secret is right over here. Beyond Meat chicken tenders. Is this too hot to touch? Yes. So you have to come over here and claim your chicken nuggets, your chicken tenders. This is a feast for a king. And it's not even feast. Is it Feast of the Three Kings today? Feast of the Three Kids? Let's see. It is.
Wow.
Wow, that was a happy accident. It's Feast of the Three Kings / Kids. When the kids were small, we did Feast of the Three Kids. And they had crowns and everything. Yeah?
Real good.
I hope there'll be a little something extra in my pay envelope.
Oh, yeah.
Hope so. Oh, hi, it's the next day. So, after shopping yesterday, and eating dinner, obviously, I was so wiped out that I basically just passed out on the sofa. But I did wake up a couple hours later and have a little dessert. I had some of this carb, keto, lower carb clusters. It's a bunch of nuts and seeds with some like erythritol and chocolate. It's really good. But that is, that's the whole day of eating. But I'm laughing because I just looked out the window and this happened last night. So, yikes. It's about, I think we got about a foot. You can tell from the deck there. It's quite a lot. And the railing, it's a foot. Or if it's not, it's close to it. But, I never get tired of seeing the powdered sugar Christmas tree situation. Although it's quite dangerous, isn't it? Daddy got up early to shovel off the deck so you could go to the bathroom. Yes. You're a good boy. Lammy's here. I slept like a log last night. I was so tired. But now I have to, after we have breakfast, I gotta get to work on cleaning off the deck. Excuse me, Lammy, can you not do that to the carpet? No FSUing. Alright, so thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed my This Is What I Ate today. And until tomorrow, Maddie's This Is What I Ate. Much love.